Hey there everyone, what's up? This is Erum here, and today we are not going to do any kind of project. Actually, I have been traveling. I traveled to another city, and the city is Foz do Iguaçu. Foz do Iguaçu is a city in Brazil, and it is in Paraná state. So here we have a very beautiful waterfall, which is also named as Foz do Iguaçu, or in English it is Iguaçu Falls or Iguaçu waterfalls. So you guys can see it's a very beautiful place. This city shares the border of Argentina and Paraguay. Means this city, this Brazilian city, shares its border with Argentina and Paraguay. So you guys, some of this waterfall, not some, I can say a bit of this waterfall is exist in Argentina, and rest of the part is here with us in Brazil. So I hope that you guys will like the nature and the beauty of this place. So in the next video we will start working on our projects, and the next project is about with some JavaScript. So enjoy the video and enjoy the Foz do Iguaçu, the beauty of nature, and I'll see you in the next one. Hasta la vista. Ciao ciao.